Sabihin nating 21-year-old fresh graduate ka noong 1990. After getting your first job, nag-decide kang mag-invest ng 5,000 pesos a month buying shares of BPI. Ibig sabihin yan, every month, you make the commitment to buy 5,000 pesos worth, kahit ano man yung presyo. Dumaan ang samot-saring crisis. Power crisis, EDSA 2, EDSA 3, Y2K, Global Financial Crisis, Asian Financial Crisis. Pero pinagpatuloy mo ang investing mo. After 20 years, may mapapala ka ba? May nilaga ba yung tiyaga mo? Based on information that was given to us by citiseconline.com, ganito ang mangyayari. 20 years ka nag-invest, total na inilabas mo, 1.2 million. But as of the end of 2010, yung 1.2 million na yon worth over 10 million pesos na. Paano nangyari yon? Paano lumaki ng over 9 times yung perang inilabas mo? Kasi nga, every year, dahan-dahan, umaakyat yung presyo ng BPI. Kaya nga, eto ka, 41, may 10 million pesos ka ng pang-retire.